Hello friends, in this video I want to explain how to use Veppa WP Detector Chrome extension and how to install it. After installed, it shows a button for extension. When you click on it, it will show which theme, WordPress theme, and which plugins are used on current website. So if you go to any other website, say for example this one, it's not a WordPress website, it will show that it's not a WordPress website and will show such a message. And for a WordPress website, you will see again theme and plugins, detected plugins. So on this screen also you can click on any theme or any plugin name and learn more about it. It will load Google search, and there you can go to the plugin website on WordPress or on plugin itself. Also, if you click on, for example, this search button to look for other websites using same plugin, and when we click on this, it will go to public www.com website and list other websites with same plugin. For example, we searched for Flying Pages plugin, and these are detected other websites, other domains using that plugin. Additionally, it shows other detected plugins as well, like 14 additional plugins, and some of them have a few plugins, some of them have more plugins. By clicking on any of those websites, you can view full list of plugins. From here, we can see like how each plugin or theme detected. For example, here, when we hover on any plugin, we can see that it's a asset URL script source, and that URL path corresponds to the plugin name. So it's a JavaScript file that corresponds to plugin name Flying Pages. So each plugin has different detection. For example, on rank math, we know that there is not much JavaScript or CSS files, but here we can see that it's a command substring to detect that it uses a rank math SEO plugin. For example, Cache Enabler also is not using any CSS or JavaScript, and we can see that it's detected via command substring inside the source code of this page. So that's how this extension, Chrome extension, works, and it's useful to see plugins and theme or any website that you visit on the internet. So will it detect all plugins? No, because I know that it's my website. I have around 20-25 plugins, and it detects only those that have some sort of identifiable assets or some custom strings, command strings, and not all plugins have those. But we can detect only those that use such strings or assets. Also, this Chrome extension works offline, so you can use it for your local websites as well, or you can use it without any internet connection as well if you want. It's not gathering this information from any other source, any API or anything else. It just looks for the source code of the page, which you can do manually by pressing F12 and see source code elements, and from here you can just look for any plugin or theme related URLs. For example, here we can see that Flying Pages JavaScript URL is used, so we can say that this website uses Flying scripts, etc. Other plugins as well. For example, here we can see that Cache Enabler plugin string is used here, so we know that site used it. But plugin makes it easy. With just one click, you can see it without going into source code of the page. Also, this extension has some other features as well. For example, if website loads slowly, it will show some largest contentful paint time. For example, on WordPress website, depending on your internet connection. On my slow connection, it shows that large content complaint is 13 seconds, which is too high. So it shows this LCP value. It will show it only if it's bigger than 2.5 seconds. So it will link to a tutorial which you can use to optimize your slow WordPress website if it's your website. So who it is useful for, who can use this extension, who can benefit from using this extension is if you are a web developer, if you are a WordPress developer, plugin developer, or theme developer, or just designer, or you can managing a couple WordPress websites, then you can use it to quickly see which plugins are used, which are active, which optimization is used, or which CRM plugin is used, or which mailing plugins are used, and you can make quick decisions on optimizing that website or to adding any other missing plugins if you want. Additionally, you can use it to check other websites, check our competitors, or check websites for inspiration to see which plugins they are using, how they are benefiting from it. And in order to install it, it's not available on Chrome Extension Store, but you can use it in developer mode. I have a downloadable zip file. You can download from my website, veppa.com/wp-detector. As you can see here, so navigate to that website and then click this download button. It will start downloading extension. After download finished, you can extract it here, or you can extract it to another location that you know will not be deleted in future. So here is you can view also source code if you want to see how it works. And from here, after extracting it, remember this folder. You need this info when in the Chrome. Go to these three dots on the right top corner, then click Extensions, Manage Extension menu. From here, make sure to enable Developer mode. It's on right top corner, as you can see here. And then let me remove this extension for a moment and disable Developer mode. So this is Extensions page on Chrome. Enable Developer mode. And here you will see Load Unpacked button will be visible. Click on it. Navigate to extension that you downloaded folder, extracted folder. So here it is. And then select this folder. It shows us extension loaded. You can see it's here. Unpacked extension. And in extension tab, extension button right here, you can pin it if you want to pin it. And then navigate to any page, any website, for example, let's see this website, and then click on extension button and it will show other plugins and theme used in this website. So let's see other websites that are using Rank Math plugin, for example. Click on search button to load public www website. And here you can see, for example, here NASA is using it. You can click on it to detect any other plugins it's using, for example. So page is not completed loading. You can see that it's waiting until page completes. So after page complete, it can it can view the source code. Now this website completed loading. When we click, we can see other plugins and theme that's used on this WordPress website. We can see that custom plugins as well and popular plugins as well, like Rank Math, Pop-up Maker. And that's it. That's how you can use this Veppa WP Detector Chrome extension. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. See you in next videos. Bye.